Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickFunnels step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for ClickFunnels. Press the Enter key to navigate to the ClickFunnels website. Once the site loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email and one for your password. Enter the email address associated with your ClickFunnels account in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for any typos. If you want the browser to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. When you are ready, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be redirected to your ClickFunnels dashboard. If you encounter issues logging in, verify that your email and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you can start building your funnels. Now you are ready to explore all that ClickFunnels has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.